Introducing REDARC's latest innovation in electric brake control, the TowPro Link. Backed by 45 years of engineering and towing expertise, it's the easiest and safest way to tow on and off road. With a plug-and-play setup using a standard trailer harness connector and Bluetooth USB powered remote, no vehicle modifications are needed. Drive confidently with advanced features such as SwayStop Plus for instant trailer sway control at the push of a button, and the market-leading 6-axis sensor to ensure precision motion detection and instant calibration. Featuring 2 braking modes, everyday mode with proportional braking, perfect for most on-road towing conditions, and manual off-road mode for more challenging conditions such as steep descents, sand and mud. The TowPro Link has you covered for every journey, regardless of the terrain, vehicle or trailer type. Complete with its own Bluetooth app and over-the-air updates, the TowPro Link ensures you're always towing with the most up-to-date technology. Installation of the TowPro Link is fast and simple. Unplug the factory harness from the rear of the trailer connector. Connect the TowPro Link unit between the factory wiring harness and the vehicle-mounted 7-way socket. Ensure the TowPro main unit is securely attached using the adhesive tape and cable ties provided in the kit. To set up your USB remote, plug the cable into a powered USB socket and mount the remote to your dash using the reusable tape supplied. The USB remote comes factory paired to the main unit, so you can start using it right away without any extra setup. Enjoy hassle-free towing safety with the TowPro Link, where easy installation meets top-tier safety.